Bernie, we know Carinya is the premium residential window and offering within Alspec.
Correct.
But can you tell us a couple of the key features and benefits of what we're seeing here on display?
I'm glad you asked me that, Tom. Now, this is our 50mm window, which have fitted with a 316 fly screen on it, which also made the kids screen fall prevention criteria.
Okay.
And not only that, it's also BAL 40 rated. Just to expand what BAL 40 is, a bushfire level attack 40.
Yes.
So fully tested and compliant to the Australian standard. Second, we have the double hung, as we all know.
Yes.
Double hung is double hung, but the benefit of double hung is obviously let the fresh air in and ventilation, and let hot air out. But at the same time, this also fitted with a 316 fly screen mesh, which is also compliant to BAL 40, bushfire level 40, and meet the kids screen requirement.
Keep the mosquitoes out, but keep the kids in.
Exactly right. So what they say, kids can fly.
Yeah. If you're looking for a premium window system for your home, pop in and check out the Alspec showroom here at the Build and Design Centre. We're open 7 days.